Welcome everybody. In this video we're going to take a look at the Crescent Whisk 4 3/4 inch quick clip nipper. This is part number 1570 BN. These actually, the design of these goes way back to the original 1570 and 70B. These are in sewing kits for a very long time. They have an excellent stainless steel blade that is not only really sharp out of the box, but lasts really well too. This thread that I'm cutting through right here is actually called tiger thread. It's used in leather crafting, and it is a pretty tough, pretty durable cordage. I mean, I can yank on this really hard and it will not pull apart. So for this stuff to just go through it like that is pretty impressive to me. The blades are replaceable. So if you ever do get them dull and you don't want to bother with sharpening, you can just get another set of blades and change them out really easily. It is a spring return, so they're always going to be ready to go. I like the fact that this joint is actually really well controlled back here in the pivot. So you're not trying to steer the blades together as you're using them. All you're doing is a very simple motion of pinching your pointer finger and your thumb together to get that cutting action. So these are great for sewing. They are really a godsend for the larger hand person. And I imagine they'll work just as well with a smaller hand too. They're quite comfortable, and I've never been bothered with using them for extended periods of time. Anyway, this has been the Crescent Whisk mini scissor, and it's quite a handy addition to your tool or craft box.